Hello, teacher. I'm Jennifer again. This time I'm going to present you my task number 2 from Unit 2. It is about how to refute an idea. So let's begin. Well, gun control is one of the most divisive issues in American politics, with each mass shooting antagonism rose between both sides of the gun control argument. This issue has been the subject of many debates in the political field. In the third presidential debate in Las Vegas, Nevada, Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton gave their opinions about the Second Amendment and the Supreme Court. Trump said, "I'm a very strong supporter of the Second Amendment," and also recognized the support of the NRA to his campaign. Let's remember that the Second Amendment to the Constitution of the United States guarantees the right of citizens to possess and carry guns. I disagree with his speech because I think that not everyone who possesses freedom to have under his power a gun has necessarily the level of psychological maturity to take responsibility for knowing that he or she are the ones who must have to control the gun and not the other way around. I'd like to reinforce my argument with the following phrase from Martin Luther King, who said, "My freedom ends where yours begins." Therefore, I feel a little more identified with Hillary's speech in the sense that, like her, I think that there must be a regulation much more reasonable on the Second Amendment. Not in vain, the U.S. has nearly 6 times the gun homicide rate as Canada, more than 7 times as Sweden, and nearly 6 times Germany. Numbers don't lie, Mr. Trump. Your country seems to be more full of gangs than people, and that is the big problem. So that is that is all for now. See you in the next record, next time. Bye bye.